Hey, what's going on YouTube? Champ here. So today we're going to go over how to recharge your air conditioning unit. It's a very simple task. It's like a $15 job depending on what type of refrigerant you buy. I bought this Arctic Freeze here with stop leak. This was $15. I already have the hose. The hose runs like another $9. You can buy both of them together or you can buy them separate. But today we're just going to go over a simple task on how to recharge your AC unit, and I'll be using my 99 Chevy Tahoe. All right, the first thing we're going to do before we start the engine is we're going to make sure that the air conditioner blower motor is on high and that the AC is on max for cold air. So what this does is whenever you fire the engine, it'll kick the compressor on, and while the compressor's on, you can load the refrigerant and it'll pull it'll suck all of the refrigerant through the system a lot easier, make it a lot more seamless. So we're gonna go ahead and fire up the engine. Now that the engine's fired up, the AC is on full max for cold air, and I have the blower motor on. I'm gonna let the engine run for a couple minutes. We're gonna go ahead and pop the hood and I'll show you how to load the refrigerant. All right, so now that we have the engine running, I got the hood popped, and then now I have the Arctic Freeze that I bought, the refrigerant, and then this reusable hose. I bought it with another set that I purchased in the past. You can see it's reusable. You just take them off, you can toss the can and keep the hose. This is very simple. You just screw it on, and this screws right into place like this. All right, you're ready. And then it has the gauge on there too, and then we just put this in the engine and can go ahead and recharge the refrigerant. So very simple process. Again, this takes probably 5 minutes of your time, and we can get cold air running again. All right, for our next step, we're gonna go ahead and here's the compressor. The engine's running, so you wanna take the cap off. When you take the cap off, you just push this, pull it off, and then let me set the camera down here. And then I already put the hose on the can. See if there's a little gauge. What you want to do is, it's kind of tricky. You just want to pull this back and lock it in place. So pull it back, push it in, and lock it in place. And you want to shift the can up, and then make sure you rotate the can back and forth while you're charging. So I like to hold it upside down. Basically it. So you can see here, well, you can see that's my current, that's how cold it is in the vehicle now. I want to get it filled all the way up to the top of the green. So again, just keep doing that over and over again. Alright, so I'm about 30 psi. The can's getting really cold now. Sitting at about 40 psi. And then that's it, basically. Once you're done, you just pull the cap off, pull this hose off, take the cap off, and then you're good to go. And that's it. All right, thanks for watching.